Hey guys, it's Dylan with another video. This is going to be a small series of videos where I show strategies that I use for trading, but specifically with using Vision. This is just going to kind of be the foundation of all strategies, and so I'm going to try to help everybody understand what we're looking for and understand why, and then we will turn on Vision and you will magically see the signals appear when the buyer starts stepping in when we're looking for a long position, when the seller starts stepping in and we're looking for a short. I have multiple strategies around this foundation, but like I said, every single one of them start here. Alright, so let's get into it. You can see here we're on a standard candlestick chart. What we need to do is we need to find some high points and some low points and find the direction that this market is going. This works on any time frame. I do recommend that you stay on the 5-minute, 15-minute and up. If I'm looking at something and it's moving upwards, you see we have a low here, a higher low, we have a high here compared to this high, and then it gets a higher high and a higher high. So we're kind of trending up there. When I see something like this, not every time will I put a channel. And what I mean by a channel trend, and not every time will I come in here and put, the support and the resistance at the top. Every time it's not going to make a perfect channel. So I found it easier just to draw one line, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So you can kind of see what we're kind of playing in right here and what we're kind of eyeballing, but I'm going to delete this because, like I said, I don't like to use the whole deal anymore. So what I'm going to do is I kind of see it playing off of this a little bit, so we're going to start here and we're just going to pop a line, single line, and make sure we go out as far as we can on our screen. You see how I'm kind of way off there, off to the right. You want to leave your lines that are most recent, your most recent 3-4 lines on the chart, and extend them quite far. Later on, in 2 or 3 days or next week, when this when SRNE starts to come back up, I almost guarantee that it'll come into play on some of your most recent trend lines. Just real quick, key areas I want to point out are right here. You can see that it comes down and it catches some type of support right here. And again, we don't have the free Vision support and resistance indicator on right now, or Vision itself. This is only the chart. So we catch some type of support here, pops up, finds some type of resistance, pops back down. We find a support again, bounces up, bounces back numerous amount of times here, and still gets supported on this. This was a very strong support. Finally pops back up, catches a resistance, and now you might be able to eyeball this in here without me putting a line. But you can eyeball this, right? And that's what I was saying. And then we fall back down. We can expect this to fall back down to our support, right? There hasn't been any inclination of breaking through the support yet. I mean, it supported it here for multiple days and then finally popped back off of it. So we can expect this to come back down to our support. And I say that because if you were going to catch a small short position or put, this is what you look for. And so we get another pop back up to the same resistance. And so if you had your line in here, you would see exactly where it would be getting resisted next, right? So if you had your line out here and you extended it out, and if it didn't break down, let me try to find my arrow tool here. If it didn't break down right there and break through the support, you could expect this to do something like this, right? You could expect this to start doing something like this and then pop back up to your trend line as it starts to come up, right? And then you can extend it a little more. It's making higher highs, higher lows, and this is it. This is the main key of what you need to be doing with every single thing you trade. There is nothing that I have traded where you didn't have to do this. Nothing. Not crypto, not forex, not stocks. You have to do this. This is what separates gambling traders from real traders. If you're not willing to draw a couple lines, spend the time looking at the chart, wondering, okay, where could this trend line be? Where could this support be? Where could the resistance be? Then you're going to lose a lot. Most likely quit. Please, if you guys need any help finding these lines, and you guys need to get me or any of our moderators on a Discord live chat for us to help you and continually show you, we will. Come to our Discord and ask us. That's no big deal to us. We love helping people. I put one line in here, and I'll tell you why now. Like before, I said we've seen this making higher lows and higher highs. So that means we are uptrending, right? As a new trader in an uptrend, do you want to be going short or buying puts on this? Absolutely not, because you want to trade with the trend. this is why I only do one line. It keeps me in the rhythm of only trading in the direction that I should be trading. I will still come in here and get shorts as it hits and rejects and bounces off the resistance and goes back down towards the support. But I know that those long trades, when I'm going in long off of the support down here, I know these I'll be willing to hold a lot longer, maybe for the whole move back up to the resistance, versus if I'm in a short trade, I don't know how short this is going to go. It might come down a little bit and then skyrocket. So I'm going to be in and out of a short trade quick on an uptrend. And so my support line is the only line I draw, because that's where I'm looking for the bigger trades here. Now hopefully all of you can see exactly what I've been going over in this video, right? Where we're looking to buy, where we're looking to sell, where we're looking to take profit, where we're looking to short, where we're looking to go long, buy puts, buy calls. And this is exactly how Vision will help you. And like I said, this is the foundation of every strategy I have, and I think should be the foundation of every strategy that everybody has. It will amaze you how these signals will just immediately line up with exactly where they should be and where they make sense. And they're not just random signals on a chart now, because you know exactly why they should be popping up where they're popping up. So I'll give you a few seconds here to kind of look over the chart, look over the trend lines that we placed on the chart, look over that area. It's beautiful, isn't it? Hopefully now, let me turn off the drift real quick so we can get a clearer picture. Hopefully now you can see exactly how powerful this is and exactly how powerful Vision as an indicator is. Like I said, if you don't have these trend lines on your chart, well, you just think these are just some random signals, you know, on the chart. And yeah, they're making profit back and forth, but now you know why. Now you know why they're there. I mean, look at every one of these take profit signals. Boom, boom, boom. This is why you draw these trend lines. You get the bull signals telling you to go long right here off of the support every time. As soon as these buyers really start to step in, boom, we're in and we're going long. Where are we going long to? Up here at our upper resistance. And then we got our take profits right here at our trend line. Vision doesn't know anything about these trend lines. As you see, if you wanted to go short here, buy puts. As soon as you have your trend lines in here, everything starts to make sense. And look at this. Look how powerful Vision is right here. Tried to catch a little bit of resistance, but Vision said, we're not going long here. We're going to punch straight through this support. I am using the scalper version, but I do stay on the 5 and 15 minute chart most of the time. If I'm swing trading, I'm over here on the 4-hour chart like I am right here. And again, you can see how powerful it is. And all I did was draw 2 lines. Now, in our next videos, like I said, this is just like the foundation of my strategy here. There's a few other things that I do like to add in or look at, you know, when I'm taking my trades and when I'm judging if I should get in or get out and where I get in and where I get out. In our next few videos that we do on the strategy series here, I will start to go over each one of those just to try to keep these videos as short as possible, and so you kind of retain the information of each one. I will catch you guys in the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Also, I am curious to know, well, one, if you guys made it this far in the video, but I am curious to know how many of you have not been drawing at least a couple of trend lines like this. And let me know also in the comments if you didn't see what I was doing at the beginning of the video, but then as soon as I turned on Vision, it became clear. I will see you guys on the next video. Trade safe out there.